This is the Canon G2010 color printer. This has printing, scanning, and copying facility. Today I will show you how to set up the printer correctly. Stay with SetNFix. This is the box of the Pixma G2010 color inkjet printer. Let's open it and see what's inside. As you can see, the printer is very well packed for safety. Inside the box we get the main power cable, the data cable, and the ink bottles. There are 4 ink bottles in total, 3 color inks and 1 black. You can also see 2 cartridges, 1 color cartridge and 1 black cartridge. Now, let's take the printer out of the box. Before installation, it's very important to remove all the orange protective tapes. These tapes are placed outside and inside the printer. Remove them one by one. They are very sticky. Make sure not to miss any tape. This is the scanner section, which you can use for scanning and photocopying. It supports both B5 and A4 size papers. Next, let's install the cartridges. You can see the markings inside, C for color and B for black. The color cartridge goes into the C slot, and the black cartridge goes into the B slot. Before installing, open the cartridge cover and remove the plastic seal and stickers. Do not touch the contact area. Repeat the same process for the black cartridge. While installing, make sure the orange plastic protection is completely removed. If it's not removed, the cartridge door won't close properly. Once removed, reinstall the cartridge and close the door correctly. Now the cartridges are fixed properly. The next step is filling the ink into the ink tanks. This is the black ink tank section. You need to fill the black ink into this tank. First, open the rubber knob, then slowly pour the black ink into the tank. Don't worry, you can empty the entire black ink bottle into the tank. It may take some time, but you can gently apply extra pressure to the bottle to speed up the process. Once the tank is full, carefully remove the bottle, seal the tank using the rubber knob, and close the plastic cover. Next is the color ink section. Each color tank is clearly labeled as L, M, and Y. First, take the L tank, which is the blue color. Open the rubber knob, remove the tank cover, and fill the ink into the correct tank. This bottle will also become completely empty once the tank is full. After filling, seal it with the rubber knob. Now move to the next tank and follow the same procedure. Fill it completely and seal it properly. Finally, fill the yellow ink tank using the same method. Open the knob, pour the ink, and seal it carefully. Once all ink tanks are filled, close the printer and connect it to the power supply. Turn on the printer and press the start button. The initialization process will take around 10 to 20 minutes. Let the printer complete this process. After that, your printer is ready to use. I hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be innovative. Stay with me. SetNFix.